This is the brand new 2020 Super Treasure Hunt set.
Let's open it up.
Well, hang on. Hang on. Got this big old box from Mattel today, from the FedEx guy, and I have an idea what might be in it, but we're gonna open it up and we'll let you guys see what it is as soon as we do. So stick around, be back a little while, and we're gonna open it up. Hang in there. What you got there, Paisley May?
I have a box from Mattel.
A box from Mattel?
Yeah.
Well, let's get the trusty fishing knife.
But you have it.
Which I have. And we will open it up and see.
Yes.
It's an awful big box.
I know what's in there.
I don't know what's in there.
I
Think it's a big thing or a little thing?
I think it's a big thing.
Think it's a big
I
thing?
think it's a Hot Wheel track.
Hot wheel track? Huh.
But we'll
I
open
don't
it
know.
up. Oh my
Look
goodness!
at all the bubble stuff.
Oh,
Hang on. Hang
Oh my
on.
goodness! It's still safe.
Oh boy. Okay, open it up. There you go.
Ah,
Oh, I see what it is.
what is it?
Look at all that. What is all that stuff? Look at this.
There's bubbles.
Bubbles.
What is it?
Wow, look at that,
A
huh?
Hot Wheel track.
No, it's not a track, honey bunny.
Yes, it is.
No, this is the, here, push this over there.
Yeah.
This is the brand new 2020 Super Treasure Hunt set.
Let's open it up.
Well, hang on. Hang on. Wait a minute.
There's a hatch.
Wait a minute. We got to see how to open it because this is very, very special. Okay?
I know it is.
All right, so
And
let's.
put the little hatch there.
All right, so we're going to open that like this.
I'll flip
Here.
these.
No. Let Grampy do this one. Okay?
Okay.
And we're going to.
Flip them.
These sold out in like.
That says Mattel.
In two. That's right, it says Mattel. Good girl. These sold out in like 2 seconds.
Oh my
Hang on, let me do.
goodness.
Yep.
Can you open these up?
Okay, no, we're not going to open these up. Okay, so
No,
there it is. And we are
can't
going to
see
do
them.
a review on this in a little while. So you guys stick around. We'll be right back and we'll check it all out. Okay? All right. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the 25th anniversary of the treasure hunts. And my little assistant Paisley had to go shopping with her mother and her grandmother. You know how girls are with their shopping. So I'm going to open this up and show it to you guys. As I said, this is the 25th anniversary of the treasure hunt. And this is the Super Treasure Hunt series for 2020. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, you saw earlier that Paisley wanted to open this thing up and play with them. Boy, that girl, she loves her Hot Wheels. There we go. Now, you may notice kind of the retro look on this. And that is because this looks just like the 1995 Treasure Hunt series. The very first ones that got this whole craziness started. You know, I'm not even going to get into the whole ordeal that the treasure hunts caused. All right, but you know, there are a lot of guys that just love the treasure hunts and the super treasure hunts. Heck, there's guys that just collect treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. So, but yeah, here it is. This is the 2020 Super Treasure Hunt set from Mattel, Hot Wheels, and the Redline Club. 15 2020 treasure hunt cars in one limited edition, plus a special certificate of authenticity. That's another thing too. When they first put them out in JCPenney, the JCPenney set, there was a certificate of authenticity in there, and that went along with it. Heck, I've seen the box sell for a couple $100, just the box alone, with that, the cover box, this box, and the paperwork. So this one here is stickered. It says how many were made, and got to turn it up the other way. There is 1,300 sets of these. 1,300, and I guess they're telling me that it sold out like a couple of seconds. Some people got on there, went to buy it, and boom, it was gone. So 1,300 sets. Man, that ain't much. That ain't much at all. I remember the 1995 JCPenney treasure hunt set. There were only 2,000 of those sets made for JCPenney. The cars themselves, they made 10,000 cars. So out of the 10,000 minus 2,000, that's 8,000 cars that were to be found on the pegs. So here it is. Let's see if I can open it up. The original, you could open it up, and that was another thing too, man. There was not any seal like we have the seals on these now, because nobody considered that people would be taking the cars out and swapping them out and bringing them back. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. Now, when the first ones came out, I knew nothing about them. They were something new, and so a buddy of mine said, "Hey, did you order that JCPenney treasure hunt set?" I had no idea what it was. So I went to JCPenney. I bought one, brought it home, looked at it, and the cars looked just like all the other cars in the main line. And said to my buddy, his name was Mike also, I said, "Hey Mike, these are the same cars that are on the pegs." And he says, "Oh, look at that, somebody switched them all out." And that's what people were doing. They were switching them out. You could open it up, take the cars out, because they're all still in the package, and take the treasure hunt cars out, and people were putting regular cars back in and taking them back to JCPenney, said, "Nah, I don't want it." And they were getting their money back, and they were getting to keep all 12 of the treasure hunt cars. So the 95, 96, 97 sets, people kept doing that. So after that, Mattel stopped saying that there was 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 cars. So after 98, they didn't put the production numbers on there anymore. So, but now we have seals on them. If the seal's broke, then the store won't take them back. Well, they're not supposed to take them back. So there you go. So yeah, that was a whole ordeal there. Really messed a lot of people up. Now, this is sealed. And do I want to cut the seal? I don't know if I want to cut the seal. Not on this one. Yeah, that was the beginning of man, all kinds of crap that happened over the years. So, but this one too, you can cut the seal. The seal here. Cut the seal, open it up, and everything comes apart, and you can take these cars out. They're the same cars as you would get if you were lucky enough in the stores. Me? Nah, I'm never find anything. No super treasure hunts. I'll find treasure hunts, but I never find super treasure hunts in the stores. Even some of the cases that I get from A&J Toys, I don't get super treasure hunts. I might get one a year, maybe 2 a year. I don't know. But yeah, here is the 2020 Super Treasure Hunt set. And there they are, all of them. All 15 cars. Now, I don't know which one I would say is my favorite. Now, you guys know I'm a muscle car guy. And, you know, that demon from Jags, that's pretty cool. The Chevelle, I could take that. 57 Chevy, that'd be pretty cool. And, yeah, that's, well, Ford. Yeah, I know. It's Ford. But yeah, you know, they look great. You know, everybody's got their own favorite cars. You know, a lot of JDM guys out there. A lot of guys like the imports. You know, you got your GT40 over here. You got your Mazda RX-7. And, you know, they're all really, really cool. You got your C10 pickup. But yeah, I'd definitely, you know, I like the Jags car, the 57, and the Chevelle. Those would be my favorites out of all of these. Put your favorite in the comments below, and we'll see what's what. All right. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Really appreciate it. You know, you guys love when you guys stop by and leave us notes and thumbs up and all that. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. You gotta subscribe, right? Click that little bell. You get a notification every time that we have a new video out. And of course, please be kind to one another. Please be safe out there. Numbers are going down. Hopefully we will see everybody at Atlanta for the Collectors Nationals event in April. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, please, you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.